Everyone in tech either says C++ is dead, or that C++ is a godsend or a farmer. But the real question isn't just what is C++, it's why are some people so adamant about it while other people run to the hills when they hear its name? And what happens to your games, your software, and your robotics once C++ is gone? What is C++? If you spent any time in software engineering, you'll hear that Java and C++ are object-oriented programming languages. But what does that even mean? Simply put, an object-oriented programming language is a language that's built off of objects and their relationships. For example, let's say I'm an awesome wizard and I decide to go buy some potions from a bazaar. I see 3 potions that catch my eye. A purple poison potion, a murky clear potion, and a red potion of power. I end up buying the red potion, and to my surprise, it's cherry flavored. Just from this example alone, we've come across 4 to 5 object-oriented practices. In that case though, why is C++ so divisive? Remember how I mentioned it was hard? Well, not everyone is as pain inclined as I am, so it's not everyone's cup of tea. Pointers alone cause so many issues. This is because pointers in C++ are like black holes. Once they go past that event horizon, you don't really know where they went. In exchange for ungodly speed, you now have to contend with memory management, which is just a fancy way of saying that you need to deallocate pointers and any dynamic functions that you make. Because if you don't, your PC is going to sound like a wind turbine with all the bloatware running in the background. Okay, then why learn C++ in 2026 if it's so hard? Because very few other languages offer the amount of control and speed that C++ does, while still being implemented on a giant code base that's legacy and still being used in quant finance. Though it's not just software engineering and finance that C++ is found in. C++ is embedded in nearly every facet of technology, from your favorite video games, to operating systems, to even robotics. Meaning that a lot of your favorite software, games, AI, and even systems would start to break down or would drastically change without C++. So hopefully I've done a good job at making this exciting, bro. Let's get started.
Get me out